Hey guys, Tiasa here at freebellydanceclasses.com. So I've been asked to teach you a little bit about Debke. I explained to you before what Debke as an art form is, and some people asked me to teach you some steps so you can join the line, because it's a line dance and you find yourself sometimes in social events where you want to join the line but you're like confused with the footwork and you're like, oh, where do I start? So I'll show you some of the basic steps. I'm not really good with Debke, but I've joined the line millions of times and I know my basic steps of how to get there. And there aren't really that many to join the line, because there's only so many things you could do when everybody's holding hands or holding their shoulders. And that's kind of how it goes. You either hold the hands, so you usually like across like this, or just kind of like this, or you hold the shoulders, or sometimes you hold from the back. Different people hold differently. So, but yeah, when you're limited like that, you really got to keep that same space in. So the music is what helps you keep that space between you and the next person. But then the way you move is going to be one of different moves that are very simple. So I'll show you guys those moves right now. So the first Debke move that I want to show you that is going to help you to travel is exactly like the side horse step. If you remember the side horse step that we learned, which is the one where you rock back and forth like this, kind of lift the knee up a little higher. It's the same step that you're moving with, okay? The only thing is with the Debke, usually because it's kind of more manly and strong and folkloric, is you can lean forward and back, which you can also do in Saidi sometimes. It depends on how exaggerated you want your moves to be. So the Saidi music, by the way, and I wanted to focus on this, is that it is either 6 counts or an 8 count. So all depends on the music. But Debke is marked mostly, this is the biggest difference between the Debke and the Saidi, is not just the type of music and the counts, but also the idea of like, kind of hitting the ground with the boots really hard like that, like the stomping part. So you're gonna make sure always you include the stomping in your dancing, in your steps as you're learning, because you're gonna find yourself always having to hold and boom, boom, either double stomp or one stomp, okay? So with the rocking step, with the horse step, we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Or you can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Hold for 7, knee up, and the stomp will be only at the 8. You can also do the same thing for the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can hold for 5 and then stomp at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, 5 and 6. Okay? So you do this obviously as you join the line. So you're going to be traveling with that horse step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep on going with the line and travel sideways with it. So make sure you focus on practicing that with the side travel, because that's kind of how the line is going to go. And it doesn't have to be necessarily a straight line. You can go in a circle and just keep moving with it. That's all that matters. So that's the horse step, the Debke horse step. The other one that's used a lot is the cross move. So you're holding everybody's hand or whatever, and then as you guys move, you're going to be crossing. So it's a grapevine, pretty much, that we're going to be doing. So it's a half a grapevine, Debke half a grapevine with the stumps. So what we're doing is we're crossing. If you're going to the right, we're crossing with the left. So cross, step, and then stump, stump. Or that would be a 6, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for the 5, stomp for the 6, okay? Or you can do it for an 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stomp for 7, 8. Or you can hold the 7, stomp for the 8, just like I did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, and 8 is a stomp. Now, of course, once you get that, let's try to go a little faster if we can. Another thing you see a lot in this grapevine, Debke grapevine, is sometimes we change levels. We're going down and up. So it would be like big bend up, especially if the music is slow. It allows you to take the time to go down and up. Feel free to do so. Okay, so it'll be exactly the same thing. I'll do it for a 6 here just so we can give you an idea. But also make sure you do it also for an 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 stomps. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So that's the Debke grapevine with the stumps. The other one that you also will see sometimes, you'll see people like doing this funky things with their feet, maybe with the heel, and you're like, oh, what's that? It could be confusing, but it really isn't. It's exactly the same thing as the grapevine, except that instead of stepping in flat-footed, you actually step in with your heel. So it'll be cross, heel, and then you just drop that foot, this foot really quick as you cross, okay? and probably have learned this step in other dances before. It's common in hip hop, it's common in jazz. If you've done tap, you know this step. So it's very much like a tap step, but it's an easy way to call it is a grapevine with the heel step. So cross, step, cross, and then that was the cross. I'm sorry, my count is slower than my feet. So cross, heel, cross, heel, cross, heel. So same thing. Now you can add the stumps to it. So same thing. Stumps could be at the 5, 6, or 7, 8, whatever you want it to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Or you can do it for an 8. Okay? So those are a few steps to help you guys out with your Debke and help you join the line and feel like you can, do those steps without having to be like looking for your footwork. Where is that? So you've got, again, the horse step, the grapevine, and the grapevine with the heel step. So enjoy it. More questions, more combos, more moves, more technique, all on the website, freeballetdanceclasses.com. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.